It's Paula, Peralta, brand ambassador for Paul Mitchell, showing you how to create caramel curls. We are starting off our color application with SynchroLift Soft. It is one of our newest Paul Mitchell lighteners. It'll lift up to 7 levels. Here I'm using my Paul Mitchell Cream Developer, 10 volume developer, a 1-to-1 ratio because it's an off scalp application. If I were to do an on scalp application, I could mix a 1 to 1.5 ratio. My first section here is going to be a weaved section. The smaller my weave, the softer that baby light's going to be. The chunkier my weave, the more bold that result is going to be. So I'm painting all the way to the base, making sure to have that consistent saturation. I love the consistency of SynchroLift Soft, and I really enjoy it, particularly working with curly hair, because I get that soft, gentle lift that also allows me to maintain the integrity of the hair. So working through to my next section, this section is going to be a teasy highlight. So I'm going to slice a small section off the top and hold that hair straight out from where it lives and gently tease it in. The thing with teasy highlights is the more hair you tease away, the softer your highlighted end result will be. The less hair you tease away, the more hair that gets colored, and so the more bold your end result. I am painting that SynchroLift Soft right up to the tease, not into it, again ensuring consistent saturation so I can get consistent even lift. Generally speaking, when I'm highlighting curly hair, I work with 10, sometimes 20 volume developer, but that lower volume I work slower, but it also allows me to really maintain the integrity of the hair, which is so key. I require to keep that texture intact as I work through. So that elasticity is really awesome, and SynchroLift Soft allows me to maintain that. So I promised you 10 foils or less, and here we are finishing off with 9 foils. This beautiful halo of caramel curls. You can see how I have incredible dimension. That formation does the work for me in spreading all of those caramel curls all over. Made possible by SynchroLift.